Feeling the itch to take control of your investments? You're not alone. More and more Canadians are ditching the traditional big banks and turning to online brokerages to manage their wealth. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right platform for you? Today, we're diving deep into two of Canada's most popular self-directed investing platforms, Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which one aligns best with your financial goals and investing style. Let's be honest, for a long time, investing felt intimidating. High fees, complicated jargon, and the need for a financial advisor made it seem inaccessible to the everyday Canadian. Then came the disruption: online discount brokerages. These platforms democratized investing, making it easier and more affordable for anyone to participate in the stock market. Wealthsimple Trade burst onto the scene with its promise of commission-free trading, a game-changer for many. Questrade, on the other hand, has been a long-standing player, offering a broader range of investment products and advanced tools at competitive prices. So, the burning question is, Wealthsimple Trade versus Questrade, which one is better? The answer, as with most things in personal finance, isn't a simple X is better than Y. It truly depends on you, your experience level, your investing goals, the types of assets you want to trade, and how much control you want over your portfolio. We're going to break down every key aspect, from fees and available investments to user experience and customer support, giving you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Fees, the battle of the bottom line. Let's kick things off with the one thing every investor dreads: fees. This is often the primary driver for choosing an online brokerage, and it's where Wealthsimple Trade truly shines. Wealthsimple Trade, their biggest selling point, and for good reason, is commission-free trading for Canadian and U.S. stocks and ETFs. This means you can buy and sell as many shares as you want without paying a commission fee per trade. This is fantastic for frequent traders or those who prefer to dollar-cost average with small, regular investments. However, there's a catch for U.S. dollar trades. Wealthsimple Trade charges a 1.5% currency conversion fee on top of the corporate exchange rate every time you buy or sell a U.S. security. This can add up if you're frequently trading U.S. stocks. To mitigate this, Wealthsimple now offers USD accounts, which are free for premium and generation clients, those with $100,000 plus and $500,000 plus in assets, respectively, or available for a $10 per month fee for core clients. If you have a USD account, you can hold US dollars and avoid the conversion fee on subsequent US trades. Options trading also has fees, ranging from 75 cents to $2 per contract depending on your client tier. For crypto, fees range from 0.5% to 2% per transaction. Questrade has historically been known for its low commissions, and they've evolved to compete with Wealthsimple Trade. They offer commission-free purchases of ETFs, though ECN fees may apply, and commission-free trading for Canadian and U.S. stocks. Yes, you heard that right. Questrade now also offers $0 commission on stock trades, a significant shift that brings them more in line with Wealthsimple Trade. However, selling ETFs still incurs a commission fee, typically $4.95 to $9.95 per trade. Options trading is priced at 99 cents per contract, with a reduced rate of 75 cents per contract for active traders. Questrade's foreign currency conversion fee is around 2%, slightly higher than Wealthsimple's base rate. But here's a significant advantage: Questrade allows you to open and hold dedicated USD accounts for free, regardless of your account balance. This is a massive benefit if you plan to trade U.S. stocks frequently, as it allows you to avoid repeated currency conversion fees. They also have a quarterly inactivity fee of $25 if your account balance is below $1,000 and you haven't made any trades or deposits in the last quarter, though this is often waived if certain conditions are met. Verdict on fees: for pure Canadian stock and ETF purchases, both are excellent for commission-free trading. However, if you primarily trade U.S. stocks, Questrade's free USD accounts give it a distinct edge in minimizing currency conversion costs, especially for those with smaller portfolios who wouldn't qualify for Wealthsimple's free USD accounts. If you're a beginner making small, infrequent trades primarily in Canadian assets, Wealthsimple Trade's simplicity and zero commissions on everything might be slightly more appealing up front. Investment products. What can you trade? This is where the platforms begin to diverge more significantly. Your investment goals will heavily influence which platform is a better fit. Wealthsimple Trade simplifies investing with a focused selection. You can trade Canadian and US listed stocks and ETFs. They also offer cryptocurrency trading directly within the app, which is a big plus for those interested in digital assets. However, their offerings are more limited beyond that. You won't find options beyond basic contracts, mutual funds, GICs, or international equities outside of North America. Fractional shares are available, allowing you to invest smaller amounts into high-priced stocks. Questrade offers a much broader universe of investment products. Beyond Canadian and US stocks and ETFs, Questrade allows you to trade options. More advanced option strategies are supported. Mutual funds, access to a wide range of mutual funds. Bonds and GICs, for those seeking fixed income investments. International equities, you can access global markets. Precious metals, a unique offering for those interested in gold and silver. IPOs and new issues, participate in initial public offerings. While Questrade also offers ETFs commission-free on purchase, the breadth of their offerings caters to more experienced and diversified investors. Verdict on investment products. If you're a beginner focusing on building a simple portfolio of Canadian and US stocks and ETFs, and perhaps dabbling in crypto, Wealthsimple Trade is perfectly sufficient. But if you want to explore more complex strategies, diversify into other asset classes, or trade international securities, Questrade is the clear winner due to its comprehensive product offerings. Account types, tailoring to your financial needs. Both platforms offer the most common registered and non-registered accounts, but Questrade again provides more variety. Wealthsimple Trade offers personal, non-registered accounts, tax-free savings accounts, TFSAs, registered retirement savings plans, RRSPs, registered education savings plans, RESPs, first home savings accounts, FHSAs, as of 2025. Registered Retirement Income Funds, RIFs, and Locked-in Retirement Accounts, LIRAs, as of 2025. Crypto accounts, separate from other registered accounts. Questrade offers a more extensive list of account types, including all of the above, plus margin accounts, allowing you to borrow money to invest. LIFs, Life Income Funds. Corporate accounts, for businesses. Joint investment accounts, for co-ownership. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.